Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cbse English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to learn what is Art Integrated Project, which is introduced by Cbse for classes 1 to 10, and how to prepare this Art Integrated Project. Art Integrated Project for classes 1 to 10. It has been decided to introduce Art Integrated Project work for classes 1 to 10 to promote art integrated learning in schools to make teaching learning competency based and joyful. As part of this, classes 1 to 8, at least one art integrated project, that is transdisciplinary project, for all the students in a given academic year. For classes 9th and 10th, at least one art integrated project in each subject shall be taken up by all students from the academic session 2020-21. Art integrated project may be conducted as per the following guidelines. For classes 1 to 8, art integrated project should be of transdisciplinary nature. The project work can include more than one subject, and this can be considered for internal assessment in the subjects concerned. So here, one project for all subjects. This is for classes 1 to 8. For classes 9 and 10, the students will take up the art integrated project work as subject enrichment activity in all the subjects for internal assessment. Here, separate project for each subject for classes 9 and 10. Project can be prepared either individual or in groups of 4 to 5 students. Students will take up integration with any form of Indian art, that is visual or performing. In minimum one project work of students from classes 1 to 10, it is mandatory to integrate any art form of the paired state or union territory as defined under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program. For example, art integrated project work of the students of the schools in the state of Maharashtra will be based on the art form of Odisha and so on. Here is the list of the paired states and union territories. Jammu and Kashmir is paired with Tamil Nadu, West Bengal with Ladakh, Punjab with Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh with Kerala, Uttarakhand with Karnataka, Haryana with Telangana, Rajasthan with Assam, Gujarat with Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra with Odisha, Goa with Jharkhand, Delhi with Sikkim, Madhya Pradesh with Manipur and Nagaland, Uttar Pradesh with Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, Bihar with Tripura and Mizoram, Chandigarh with Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Puducherry with Daman and Diu, and Lakshadweep with Andaman and Nicobar. So here are the suggestive or illustrative topics you can take as suggested here for the states of Maharashtra and Odisha. Dances, fairs and festivals, art forms, traditional dress, traditional foods of Maharashtra and Odisha, and so on. You will get the information of remaining states and union territories in the link provided below here in the description. How to do project work? Art integrated project work can be done in the following formats. This is suggestive. You can do the project in the form of scrapbook, project file, PowerPoint presentations, that is PPTs, documentary, video clip, etc. Now, project work example is given here. To collect photographs of great musicians with a write-up on their introduction and all types of musical instruments. Photographs and illustrations are included here, and the artists who play them, to be pasted in the scrapbook. One more example, to listen to music program on radio or TV and to write short description of the performances, to be written in the scrapbook. Now you can begin your art integrated project like this. This is an example. First, your school name, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nuapada, Odisha. Art integrated project 2020-21. Class 10 or any class that is your class, suppose class 8 or 9. Topic, fairs and festivals of Maharashtra. Then on the next page, you can write names of group members and right side guidance, that is the name of subject teacher. On the next page, acknowledgement. Here you have to acknowledge and pay your gratitude and thanks to the people who helped you completing your project. You can write like this: I or we would like to express my or our special thanks of gratitude to my or our teacher, Mr. or Miss Dash, for his or her able guidance and support in completing my project. I or we would also like to extend my or our gratitude to the principal and vice principal for providing me or us this golden opportunity to learn new things. My or our special thanks to my or our friends, parents, and my or our brother or sister or brothers and sisters for assisting me or us in finishing this project within time. Thank you all. So in this way, you can write acknowledgement. You can add your own sentences. On the next page, certificate. It should be like this. This is to certify that student or students of class 10 of dash dash school name, it should be written here, has or have successfully completed the project on the topic dash under the guidance of, here name of the subject teacher, during the academic year 2020-21, and below subject teacher signature and signature of principal. Next page, index should be there. Index should be like this: serial number, content or topic, page numbers from and to, and one column for remark or remarks. Next page, introduction. Here about the topic you have to write. Then begins your project. Here write up with photographs, illustrations, drawings, and so on. And the last page should be bibliography or references. For example, here given Wikipedia, Google, YouTube, etc. And mention thank you. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.